Hey everyone, we have a Toyota AE86 set of headlights finished up today. This customer sent in some brand new housings, which we did some modifications to. He wanted a really, just OEM kind of setup. So we retrofitted these housings with the 2.5-inch bi-LED projectors and covered them with iris shrouds. Also, these headlights, they are factory like glass lens that have heavy fluting on them. So after getting the retrofit, really these aftermarket clear lenses are available from a company called OccaMotif, and he actually supplied these as well. But we have used these in the past. So he basically sent in all the parts minus the projectors and shrouds, and we basically just performed the retrofit for him on his supplied parts. So yeah, this is overall just a really clean OEM plus build for a customer out in Japan. So we did retrofit right-hand drive optic pattern projectors. So these have the proper beam pattern, the right-hand drive beam pattern for his country. And we're just gonna light this thing up. Both of them are actually hooked up now. And just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like lit up, I'm gonna lower the exposure here. And that pretty much covers it. So yeah, again, brand new housings. You can see the headlight brackets are attached. They were in brand new Toyota boxes. So it's really nice working with these new housings. These AE86 lights are pretty old. So if you're sending in old ones, a lot of ones we've worked on previously, they had adjustment mechanisms that were completely just brittle and broken already. So if you have the budget, definitely just go with a new set. We're going to have a headlight package on our website for the AE86s, and you can order a set for yourself, just like this. We will build in the cost of new headlights and the clear headlight lenses, and we'll also have an option for you if you wish to send in your own, as long as they're in good working order. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website at VisionAutoworks.com.